Hello, and welcome to another thoughtful episode. This is the space where we learn English through deep ideas and meaningful conversations, all explained in clear and simple language. I'm happy you are here today, giving yourself time to listen, practice, and grow. Whether you are at home, walking outside, or doing some work while listening, I hope these moments help you learn something new and improve your English skills. Today, we are talking about a powerful and inspiring topic: how dreams guide our future. Dreams are not only what we see when we sleep, dreams are also the hopes, goals, and visions we carry in our hearts. They are the pictures of the life we want to live. Every person has dreams, no matter where they come from or what language they speak. Some dreams are small, like learning a new skill. Some are big, like changing the world. But all dreams have one thing in common: they guide us forward. Let's start by asking, what is a dream? A dream is not just an idea in your head, it is a picture that inspires your actions. When you imagine yourself becoming a teacher, an artist, a traveler, or a leader, you are creating a dream. That dream gives you energy. It motivates you to take steps, even small ones, to make it real. Without dreams, life can feel empty, like a boat without direction. With dreams, life has purpose and meaning. Think about a child who says, "One day I want to be a pilot." At that moment, the child does not have the knowledge, the skills, or the resources, but the dream becomes a light. It becomes something that guides their choices. They may study harder, they may stay curious, and they may never give up because the dream is alive inside them. Dreams give us hope and focus. They remind us that today's hard work is building tomorrow's reality. Dreams are also powerful because they help us grow. Sometimes we dream of things that seem impossible at first. Maybe you dream of speaking English fluently. At the beginning, it feels difficult. You make mistakes, you feel nervous, and you doubt yourself. But your dream of speaking clearly pushes you to keep practicing. Every new word you learn, every sentence you speak, brings you closer to that dream. Without the dream, it would be easy to quit. With the dream, you continue because you see the future you want. Another important thing about dreams is that they give us direction during challenges. Life is not always easy. We face problems, failures, and disappointments. Sometimes we feel lost. But when you have a dream, you have something to hold on to. It becomes a map in difficult times. For example, if your dream is to become a doctor, you may fail one exam, but the dream keeps you trying again. If your dream is to travel the world, you may face money problems, but you keep saving and working toward it. Dreams give us strength when life gets hard. It's also interesting to see how dreams connect us with other people. When you share your dream, you often find people who have similar dreams. Maybe you want to start a business and you meet someone who has the same idea. You join hands and create it together. Or maybe your dream is to help others and you meet people with the same passion. Dreams are not only personal, they also create communities. They bring people together with shared vision and hope. Now, let's talk about the difference between daydreaming and true dreams. Daydreaming is when we imagine without action. We sit and think about nice things, but we don't do anything to make them real. True dreams, however, are different. They are not only imagination, they are goals that inspire action. A true dream makes you wake up and say, I will take one step today. Even if the step is small, it moves you closer to your future. That is the power of real dreams. Sometimes people think dreams are unrealistic. They say, don't dream too big, stay practical. But history shows us that many great changes in the world started with a dream. Flying in the sky was once just a dream. Talking to someone across the world in seconds was once just a dream. Education for all children was once just a dream. Today, these are real because people believed in their dreams and worked for them. Dreams are the seeds of tomorrow's reality. It's also important to know that dreams can change. When you are young, you may dream of one thing. As you grow, your experiences may lead you to another dream. That is okay. Dreams are flexible, they grow with us. What matters is not to give up dreaming, but to keep listening to your heart and finding the vision that excites you. Sometimes changing a dream does not mean failure. It means growth. It means you discovered something new about yourself. Let's take an example. Imagine a young woman who dreams of being a dancer. She works hard, practices every day, and even performs in small shows. But one day, she realizes her true joy is not only in dancing, but in teaching others to dance. Her dream changes. She becomes a teacher, helping children learn confidence through movement. Her first dream guided her to her new dream. That is how life works. Dreams lead us to other dreams, and step by step, they shape our future. Another beautiful thing about dreams is how they keep us connected to hope. Life can be stressful. Sometimes we face sadness, failure, or loss. In those moments, a dream gives us light. It says, this is not the end. There is still something to look forward to. That hope is powerful. It gives us courage to wake up each day and keep moving. Without hope, we stop living fully. With hope, we continue even when things are difficult. But let's not forget, dreams need action. If we only dream but never act, the dream stays as a picture in our minds. To make dreams guide our future, we must act. Even small steps matter. Writing down your dream, telling someone about it, or learning a new skill are all steps that move you forward. Every big dream starts with small actions. Step by step, little by little, dreams become reality. So, how can you use your dreams to guide your future? First, listen to your heart. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? Not what society wants, not what others expect, but what excites me. That is your dream. Second, write it down. When you write, your dream becomes clear. Third, take one small action today. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Finally, believe in your dream. Even if others doubt you, remember that the dream is yours. You don't need everyone's approval. You only need courage to keep going. As you continue your journey of learning English, remember that your dream is your guide. Maybe your dream is to speak fluently, to study abroad, to get a new job, or simply to connect with people around the world. Whatever it is, keep it alive. Your dream will guide your choices. It will remind you to practice, to listen, and to never give up. Each word you learn brings you closer to your dream. So, today, I encourage you to take a moment to think about your dreams. Ask yourself, what do I want in the future? How can I start moving toward it today? Remember, your dreams are not just fantasies, they are powerful guides. They are lights on your path. And when you believe in them and take action, they have the power to shape your entire future. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope this conversation not only improved your English, but also inspired you to trust your dreams. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep dreaming. Because your dreams are the map to your future, and the steps you take today will create the life you want tomorrow.